Today's question is about poster. Prepare a poster on the importance of the trees. As you know, the trees are very important to us. We should plant trees. Okay. So first of all, you can write the title. Trees a precious treasure. ट्रीज अ प्रेशियस ट्रेजर। ट्रीज हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण खजाना है, बहुत ही बेशकीमती खजाना है। प्लांट ट्रीज एंड live longer. Now, as you know, in your school, tree plantation campaign is organized every year. Okay, so we can here also write a campaign. Join the tree बेटा म्यूट योर फोन, म्यूट योर फोन, बेटा म्यूट योर फोन। Join the tree plantation campaign. ये आपका एक प्रोसेस है। Join tree plantation campaign on Saturday. You can write here date. Any date you can write here, like 26. December 26, 2020. At ऊपर जा रहा है थोड़ा सा at 10 a.m. कहाँ? Now you have to write the venue in your school at Yes, it is your venue. You can also write in bracket. Okay, it means that tree plantation campaign is being organized in your school. Now, plants help us, or your plants give us, or the benefits of the trees. You can write here. We write in the cap. Benefits of trees. Okay, what are the benefits of trees? You can write here. Bring rain, provide shade, greenery, provide fruits, vegetables, medicine, suck carbon, give oxygen, check soil erosion. It means bhumi katav. All these things you can write here. Okay. Trees are the ornament of earth. Trees are our friends, so don't cut them. Secure the trees. Okay, you can draw some trees. Right here. Don't cut me. यहाँ तो मैं यहाँ बता देता हूँ. Okay, in this way you can develop the poster about the importance of trees. You can write here important. Important for living beings. Living beings. I think you would have understand how to write the poster.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you know how to write the job application? Or how many posters have you done now? कितने पोस्टर मैंने आपको करवा दिए हैं? चलिए एक कर लेते हैं. Invitation, informal invitation. Okay, actually you have built your new house and you are going to inaugurate it and you want to invite your friend. It is known as housewarming celebration. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Housewarming celebration. So write the question. Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
But write the question. You are Radhika Verma. You are Radhika Verma, living at 349 ज्ञान लोक हापुड़. You have purchased a new house and there is a housewarming celebration at your home. Please stop. Write an invitation, or you can say that write a letter. Write a letter in bracket invitation. In bracket invitation to invite your friend to attend the function. Okay, तो So it is our informal invitation. So we will do here it. First of all, you will write your own address because you are the sender. So first of all, we will write here the sender's address. It is 349 Janlok, Hapur. Okay. Now, gap a line. You will add the date here. December 17, 2020. Now, you can write here, dear friend. Or you can write here also the name of your friend. Okay. Dear, Parul, whatever. Now, start writing. You will be glad to know that we have purchased a new house in Hapur. A housewarming celebration, or you can say inauguration. You can say inauguration. Is being organized on Saturday, dated December 26, 2020 at 11 a.m. You are invited with your family to attend the function. Do come. Do come means जरूर आना. Yours sincerely, क्या नाम था? What was the name of the inviter?
Radhika Verma.
Radhika.
Radhika Verma.
Yes, sir.
Radhika Verma. It is completed. In this way, you can write an informal invitation to invite your friend on any function. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can say that you suppose now you are Parul, okay, and you are willing to attend the function. It is known as respond to reply. Okay, you Parul had got an invitation, and now she wants to reply to her friend in both in both affirmation and rejection. हाँ में भी और नहीं में भी. Okay, it will be known as a response to reply. Suppose Parul is willing. Okay, so we can write as I am very thankful to you for inviting me to attend the housewarming ceremony of your house. Okay, I will reach there at appointed time, okay, to attend the function with my family. Okay, it is in affirmation. Okay, yours truly, Parul. Or if question comes in negative, it means you are not ready or you are not willing to attend the function. So once again, you will write the same. I am very thankful to you for inviting me to attend the housewarming celebration of your house, and I am very happy that you have purchased a new house. Okay, but I regret that I will not be able to attend the function. Okay, but regret I will not be able to attend the function because of having some previous engagements. Engagement means because of having some previous pending works that binds me there. That binds me there, or that tied me there. जो मुझे वहां बांधे रखेगा. Okay. And then the next line, my best wishes are with you and your family. Then you will write yours truly या yours sincerely. आपका नाम डाल देंगे, क्योंकि पारुल जवाब दे रही है तो नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? पारुल. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
I think you will have noticed all these points. This you have done earlier also.
Yes, sir.